Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a massage for the lovely Heavenly, one of our newest massage models. And I'm going to be doing a neck massage for stress relief. So I'm going to take kind of a unique approach today, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. One thing I really like to do is just, I always like when I'm working on someone who is more stressed, I move a lot more slowly. So I'll just kind of gradually introduce my touch, and I'm gonna start just applying pressure on the shoulders. So I'm just gonna press down and really encourage these shoulders to relax. And I'm actually just gonna alternate my weight a little bit. So this is a chance for my client to really tune in and maybe be a little more aware of just any type of holding that's going on in the shoulders. And this just feels really nice, and I'm really encouraging my client to just surrender their weight to the table as well. There's all kinds of like subtleties when you're doing massage, so it really depends on the personality type. Sometimes if someone's a little more guarded, they're not going to respond as well to something like that, at least at first. So just kind of trust your instincts. And I am going to work on these pectoral muscles a little bit. So I think it's worth mentioning that I never do massage with my ring on. It's not a good idea, but I'm actually pregnant right now and my hands are so swollen I can't get my ring off. So just making this work. So what I'm doing right now is working on this pectoral muscle and just doing some soft tissue work. Not doing anything fancy here, just really encouraging everything to open a little bit more. And I usually use less oil, but I kind of got a big old, just didn't mean to get that much. So I might find a few trigger points in here, and I might start to just hold and kind of pause. And especially when I'm working on someone whose goal is to relax, I'm conscious of my own breathing, so I'm just, I don't really like verbally telling my clients to breathe. I just think it can be unnecessary, so just setting a positive example. So just remembering to breathe as I work. And really focusing on these shoulders throughout the massage, just gentle reminders to really let go and relax. This is one of my favorite techniques, just walking it out. And just spending some time on this upper trap. It's really hard to, if somebody is in a place of like holding and really holding on tight in their shoulders, it can be hard to get this upper trap to really melt. But just repetition is really helpful, and patience. And it's always about just following your client's lead. It's never about trying to control anything really. And just working my way into these scalenes a little bit, SEM, and not working too locally, thinking more broadly today. And in this video, I'm kind of sharing, if I only have 10 minutes and somebody wants this kind of work, this is a routine that I might do. I've been having a lot of success with my clients who have pretty consistent anxiety and headaches. So something that's really been working is I will work on the occipitalis and I'll work on the frontalis and really focus on communicating what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna do little circles. And this is, a good time to communicate just relaxing the jaw. So letting there be space in the mouth, letting the tongue rest in the lower part of the mouth. And what this does, it can actually just help the frontalis to naturally relax. And I'm just going to work my way around the scalp and gradually working my way onto the forehead and just doing little circles and really encouraging this muscle to just let go. And I also encourage my clients, if they this isn't really geared towards headaches, but if they're having an anxious moment through the day or they're having a headache, just to place their hands. You can do a little self-care on their frontalis and their occipitalis, and just taking a few deep breaths can really help. So I'm being a little careful because Heavenly's hair is pulled up. I can't really go work in the same way that I would if the hair was loose. So I think being adaptable is really important as a massage therapist. I think we lost 2 minutes, is that right? And I'm just going to circle my way back towards the suboccipitals, and that's actually what I'm going to end with. So I'm just kind of finding a nice flow and way back so that it doesn't feel choppy. And I might just take a minute and really make sure that Heavenly's not fighting and trying to hold her head up. It's really nice of your client wanting to help you, but it doesn't really help you. So just making sure that her head is nice and relaxed. And I'm going to end with just some small circles, these suboccipitals. And before we wrap up this video, I want to thank a few of our patrons. I'd like to thank Eric, M. Goomba, and Josh W. Thank you guys so much for your support. So if I were to end this massage right here, it would feel a little bit awkward. So I kind of like to just do something a little broader. Gonna walk these shoulders out a little bit and work my way up, back of the neck, and a little stretch. And that is all for today. Thank you for joining us today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did like today's video, we have a Patreon page where you can find exclusive content. I look forward to seeing you there.
If you enjoy these videos, please join us at psychetruthpatrons.com for dozens of exclusive videos and premium programs. We have over 1,000 videos you won't find on YouTube, such as modeling and fashion hauls, exclusive massage videos, ASMR, behind the scenes, bloopers, and much more. It's a great way to help us keep the cameras rolling so we can continue making the content you love. Patrons will get 2 to 3 new exclusive videos each week, so I hope you'll consider joining our Patreon family today. Just visit psychetruthpatrons.com.